Hi there. Hello. Hi there. Hey everyone, what's going on? Bryan here. Here's something that we don't do every day for a channel with very few subs. Let's decide what I'm going to do for the month of January, because I just finished recording this book as an audiobook. It's called March, Book 1, The Plague Lands, and it's by Matt Calhoun. That will be a real audiobook once it goes through the process of getting approved. So I find myself in between projects. And what I'm doing is waiting for this guy to call for his book, because we'd talked, but we haven't finished talking, and I find my January available. I'd like to make 4 videos for YouTube, because when I was recording Marked, I wanted to make videos, and I recorded things, but I could not edit the different pieces of footage together, make the sound really good, and then upload it after chopping it up the way I wanted to without giving away too much of the story. So that was weird. Choice number 1. Record a book that's in the public domain called When the West Was Young. It's from 1922, if I remember correctly. 85,000 words. Here's a clip of what that could sound like.
Like most of those riders who drifted into the territory when other portions of the West had grown too hot.
Yeah, that's a deep voice. So I would use my real big microphone for that, and we could talk about that. Or the other choice for the month of January's 4 videos. I just bought 6 of these from a company that's going out of business, a store that's going out of business. And they're roughly, I don't know what that is, 5x7 or something. About 5, that seems awfully big for 5x7, but this is what it is. Because for Christmas, I was given gouache. Gouache is sort of like sticky jelly, not acrylics. And I have some number 6 brushes. Some are round, some are flat, and I want to try to paint. So do I try to paint for you with you, or do I read and try to finish producing an audiobook with you for you in the month of January? Subscribe. Let's see what you direct me to do. I've already got 1 single vote, and it's a person who suggests I try to do both. So anything you say could break the neck and neck, and we'll make a proper decision. Decisions. I don't know. Happy reading. Happy painting. Who knows? And I'll talk to you soon. Oh.